puppy vlog. The main pup in the video is gonna be my puppy Boba. He is 5 months old. He's a mini golden doodle, and he's the one you're gonna be seeing the majority of in the video. And alongside him will be our awesome Sock City socks. This is the main inspo for today's video. These awesome pug socks with little slices of pizza in its mouth. I love little pugs. Look how cute they are. They're so cute. But I really want to know in the comments, what kind of dog do you have? Tell me, please tell me. Anyways, let's get started with the video. That's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to check out the Sock City website to find these super cute pug socks and all your other sock needs. Trust me, you'll find a pair that you'll fall in love with. Please like, comment, subscribe, and do not forget to let me know in the comments what kind of dog, what type of dog, if you have a dog, what's its name, all that fun stuff in the comments. I would really, really love to know. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.